you? You don't know?
He didn't say no.
You might have forgotten
No,
about
I
it.
talked to him. I called him. He didn't say no.
He didn't say yes or no?
Did she tell you about your mom?
I told her. La 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 la.
But then I just called her back now, and she said, I called her back, and I said, so if you change your mind, she goes, oh, I'm doing my bills right now.
Are you dancing?
Well, Amy and Andy are coming. No Brittany?
No, she's at a Skillet concert.
Oh, how come you didn't go?
Because I didn't have anybody to watch Ella. Yeah, I'm not able to really, I don't know.
We would have watched them.
I can't really be an 18-year-old right now. I have my mom.
She would have been leaving at like 3 or 4.
Yeah, I had nobody.
Oh.
A few hours that wouldn't work. How might you going to Grandma Bibi's another day?
Hey, 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 hey.